All right, everyone. Good afternoon. It's Tuesday, August the 19th, and just wanted to hop on and give you a quick update about what's going on in the markets here, specifically, of course, always with XRP. That's the one that we follow here the most on this channel. Let's start out with Bitcoin and just talk about where it is and what it's doing. There were some analysts that were calling for the Bitcoin top here a few days back, and so far they're looking like they're possibly right. My issue is if Bitcoin is showing a top, then they better really start hoping that the major altcoin cycle that's supposed to occur happens during one of these bounces on Bitcoin. I'm still not ruling out the fact that Bitcoin could go higher here and put in highs towards that 170, 175 area. But for now, it looks like Bitcoin is staying here in its lane, so to speak. But if you come over here to XRP, what I'm looking at here in this moment is for a potential bottom here in this area and somewhat of a larger ABCDE correction. Let me show you what I'm currently looking at here that could be shaping up. And that is this here. And then we break out here to new all-time highs. So that's what I'm currently looking and hoping is our bullish structure here. I'm really hoping we hold internal on this retrace and that our C wave is here, followed by a D, then a pullback to an E, possibly to retest this 305 area, which would be right on top of the 4-hour EMA 200 if we were to come back above it. So we could end up coming lower to this 264, 257 area. I just don't really like that bullish setup as much, but technically we would still be bullish if we stay above there. But I'm really hoping that we play this triangle out. So really what this is a contracting triangle on the 4-hour chart here, and really the lower time frames as well. So that's currently what we're looking at. Really, there's nothing to do at this point but to wait and see. Wait and see if this is the bottom. If not, then we could come lower. Still wouldn't negate a bullish move, but the problem with coming lower is we're going to start to put in some lower prices here in the midst of these moving averages on the daily, and I would love to see us hold on this 50 EMA on the daily if possible. So even to see a bounce here come in before the daily close in about 2 hours and 10 minutes would be great. So, yep, not much else to really update you on. It looks like the rest of the market has also taken a pretty tough hit with Bitcoin going lower. So, yeah, not going to really mention anything else at this point because XRP and Bitcoin really pretty much do drive the market. So, yep, those are my thoughts here. Still holding out bullish hope, bullish hopium. And you can see I've got this date around September the 8th to September the 15th as kind of a day where we're watching pretty closely to see what price is on that day. So this market could extend a little longer, but I just start to really get cautious towards the middle to end of September. But I won't rule out that if we're still showing a bullish structure, could we still have some bullish momentum going into October, November? That's possible. I just don't think it's that likely at the moment, but I'm certainly happy to change my views as we continue to go through the rest of this month. Keep in mind that we have a monthly candle close coming up that's pretty important. We really need to close this monthly candle green, in my opinion, or as close to a green candle as possible. Okay, if we want it to be a doji, that's fine. But yeah, that's what we're looking at. So my problem coming lower is that we just really start to lose some of the momentum of this previous month's candle. So anyway, those are my thoughts. I'm listening to a current space as well, and I'm going to get back to that, but wanted to record a quick video here and give everybody an update on what I'm seeing. Anyway, tomorrow's Wednesday, middle of the week, so hopefully we'll get some better indications there on what we're doing here in the short term. Talk to you soon.